Well, I was just scooping the 40s off my board here to put them in the bin so I can make room. And I heard a weird sound. Now, this is copper. They all weigh good, but listen. You hear that? Copper. What is this? This does not sound like copper. It weighs copper weight, but let me see if I can. I got 2 coins here. Now you can hear it. All right. Now let me put 2 coppers in my hand so you can hear what I'm hearing. You let me know what this is. Maybe it's bronze or something. I don't know. Let me know.